After knowing all the basics, let's finally get started with folding. Today, we will learn how to make an envelope card. So let's begin. You can make this cute envelope in just a few minutes. It doesn't need any gluing or cutting. You can make it in different sizes based on your requirements. We will be using 20 by 20 cm tan paper colored on both the sides and about 70 to 90 GSM thick. Join the two edges and make a diagonal. Fold the sheet by applying proper pressure. Unfold. Now connect the other edges, but don't fold the sheet entirely this time. Just pinch it as shown here. This way you will get a center point of the square. Now bring the lower edge to the center and crease it. Similarly, bring the opposite side edge to the center and fold. Bring the lower edge to the imaginary line formed by 2 points. Align it properly and fold. Unfold it. Bring the left side of the triangle to the line we made just now and crease it. Repeat the same process with the right side. Fold the tip of the triangle upwards like this. And unfold it. Make a small triangle like this and unfold. Refold the triangle and the right side of the triangle. You will see a fold in between the two. Push the fold to the other side like this. Repeat the same with the other side. This might take some time, but relax and keep trying. Fold the small triangle again. Now push the right side pocket facing downwards to the other side. Repeat the same with the opposite side. Fold the square downwards like this. Make sure it is folded exactly at its half. Now bring this side above the lower side and below the square. Repeat the same with the left side. Now recrease these sides to avoid any bumps. Bring the tip to the bottommost line and make a crease. Unfold. Again, bring the tip to the line we just created. Fold it again and place it below the square. The envelope is ready. Use it to keep a card or some money. Goodbye.